वैष्णव संगीते मन आनंदित अनुक्षण सदाहय कृष्ण परसंग. Vaishnava Sangeti, in the association of devotees, always minds feel transcendental pleasure. Why? Sadahaya Krishna Parasanga. There is what they do and what they are practicing, they are thinking, they are speaking, and physically what they are doing. This is Krishna Prasanga, with Krishna's relation, with his service, and glorify him, thinking about him, and the fire which Madana Gopal's fire came to others and also affected me. So now I have to how to bring this fire to Gimkail. This is I am thinking about this. So this fire which come from Gauranga Mahaprabhu and all fuel and wood put there. This fire, if we discuss with analyze with example of this wood fire, this fire has no capacity to go inside. This fire only can give this external useful things. Among these fire also 8 fires exist in this universe. One is our inside, where we are digesting, that name is Jatharagni. And in the water, in the ocean, that fire is Badavagni. Badavagni. When that fire come out, whole ocean will be dry. Another fire is in the wood, and another that is Jatharanala, Badavanala, and another this fire which we use for these things, and this electric fire. This is different fire. This is coming from, also they bringing from metals and with nuclear, with all this is fire there. So this fire and Gauranga Mahaprabhu's fire, and originally he brought from Krishna. In Bhagavatam, just last moment we used this fire. So Krishna's this fire which comes to the Radharani and Gopis. There is one fire named Viraha Jagni Upajukta Deha Dhanena Jama Padavihi Padavam Sakhete. When Krishna called every gopi and before Rasalila, and all they came, so Krishna's character, because he is the Nayaka, means according our literature, there are some character there. One is Dhira Lalita, Dhira Shanta, and Dhira Uddhata, Dhira Uddata. These four kind of character of the Nayakas. So Krishna's Nayaka, Rupa Goswami explained this. So there he is, but these Nayakas all have Krishnas. Then he, from beginning, he told Swagatambo Mahaghabhaga. He welcomed them. Oh Mahabhaga, you are great, fortunate. You come. This is best in the night because there you are waiting many lives. So now I welcome you. You came here. Priyanki Karavani Bhava. What kind of some dear and dearmost, what something I can do for you? Priyanki Karavani Bhava. But then he told, Brajasya anamayam kaschit. You came from this night time, from your house. There is no any difficulty. There is no any problem. Because in night time and you are the house wives and all the, you have a responsibility, you have children, you have a family, you have doing all these things. So when you come, there is no any problem. Anamayam kaschit. Anamayam means any difficult problem, mentally or physically, any situation is not there. Anamayam Brutta Agamana Karanam. Then he told, why did you come here? What is this? What are you saying? You are welcoming and you came, you told what I do this. Then he told, Brutta Agamana Karanam, why you come? You see, this is the Saraswati Pati, Babadukaha Supandito. Indeed, Babadukaha Supandito. This is Panditya, this speaking of the language, the word. It will be one word meaningful. They are very pleasant. When Krishna told welcome, so they are like just ocean. This is rivers or flood rivers entering there. They come like this. When they heard Krishna's voice, because they came with a different problem way. Some are also locked. They left their body and came. So they came without any which condition they have. They came this way. So this is then Krishna when told Swagatam, and what can I do for you? What will you? I can do this. Then he told, there is no any problem, any difficulty. Then he told, what is the cause? You come here. Then they become, what are you saying? You know anything? You don't know anything? You know everything. So they started this in the bhava, with the sanchari bhava of the steadiness of the conjugal love, sthai bhava, with this udipana. When they came, then he again put some fire. This fire. Drustang banam kusumitam rakesa kararanjitam. You see, very fine here this night, full moon, and these flowers, and the river, Jamuna's river, they're all lotus flowers coming with the aroma. And the Rakesha Kararanjitam, by full moon in the river Jamuna, just the equites who are living there, fish and tortoise and all this, They are just jumping and playing with moon, light agitation by water. And flowers also dancing by the waves. And Kusumitam Vanam, there is jasmine, champa, or Jui, night queen, many Kumuda, Kunda, Malati, and Madhavi, all this scented, pure, sweet and very sweet arrogance everywhere there. Kusumitang Vanam. This is changing by their smell, aroma, and a beautiful scenery by the moonlight. So where these flowers and the birds, Kokilo Kujitam, Kuku and others, because this is all this opulence of the Vrindavan